Okay, made another video. It's gonna be real fast, same way, fast and simple. This is how you actually restart the game after you've done the add-ons. Remember, you do not shut the game down. You leave it on, and then you go to the main menu and you restart it. Once again, this is after you've did your add-ons. And the way you're gonna check your add-ons, you're gonna make sure you go up to notifications, as you can see. Get it here straight. Once you go to your notifications there, as you can see, I'm gonna scroll down there and there's my add-on. Campaign 1, Campaign 2, and that's when you know that it's been added, you know. That's how you check to see whether you got your 1 and 2 packs that you need, okay? Go back to the main menu, just say I just actually downloaded that after that big 27 gigabyte download. You're gonna go to your start, gonna press that start. That's when your Modern Warfare is gonna start. It's gonna go through the stages here. Let it do what it do. Okay, you're at your main menu now. You're gonna scroll on over to that one part where you want to go to the multiplayer. You're going to press that middle button of the R3. And this is the R3 button right here. Press that, is going to take you to the main menu. Let's just say that, you know, this is the part that we wanted to install, the Campaign 1 and Campaign 2. To say you already got that. So we already been to that main menu. So what you do, you press your home button. That's gonna take you back to the main menu. This is where you're gonna restart it. Press and hold it. I'll go here. Then you're gonna restart it. You're not gonna enter into rest mode. You're gonna just restart the whole game. And this is the answer to the question for those who have the download, but it's keep freezing at 4 gigabytes and it just won't give you the full download at the main menu. Let's just say you need to clear something off your drive. You just want to go up, go over to your notification, as you can see, your settings, as you can see right there, the suitcase. Press that settings. You want to go down to your storage. You hit your storage, and this is where you're going to delete things just to make sure that everything is that you got enough room for your downloads, because you won't be able to do any add-ons unless you make room. So the way you do that, just say you hit your X button, you go to applications. As you can see, I got all this stuff that I can delete. The way you delete it, you're going to press the options button, which is going to be on your controller right there. That menu is going to come up to where you see on the side where it says delete. So I decided to delete it. I press delete. I can check whatever I want to delete, as you can see. So I'm not going to delete anything. I'm going to go back. But that's how you make room. And once you delete it, you should be able to go back to your main menu here. You should actually be able to go back there. And you should be able to install anything on here once you make room. And remember, go back to the main menu. Don't close it out. Just press the home button, go back to the main menu, and that's when you're going to restart it. Press that middle button just to restart it. Sure, everybody know how to restart it. You're going to press our restart button. Hope this helps. Good luck. Get back in the game. And once you restart, you should be good to go. Hope this work. I hope this answers everybody's second question, you know. Then once you restart it, you should definitely see that menu that says start. It shouldn't have any type of loading anything at the bottom of there or anything. You just start it as normal, and your problem should be solved. Peace.